for yourself. Within a very short period of time, you prepared so well for this competition that is really praiseworthy. Because as Bhavna said, participation is essential. Winning and losing are part of game. You should not focus on victory or defeat. You must try for victory. But if you lose in any competition, then you must not lose your heart. Because failures are the stepping stones to success. And we cannot reach the top all of a sudden. It requires a long time and effort. You need to put in your best effort to reach on the top. And you must remember that every 1,000 miles journey begins with a first step. If you take the first step, automatically the distance to your target is going to decrease. So effort must be to put in your best for achieving the topmost position in every field. That must be your target. And that reflection I got today in this competition, that you were very much eager. You were pining to get on the top of this competition, because there was a cutthroat competition. Many teams participated so nicely that we had a very hard time deciding who should be the winner. You literally followed all the instructions. Means props you used very nicely. Time limit you stuck to. Punchline, some of the teams gave an outstanding punchlines. So you might be remembering those punchlines at least throughout this session. So both the judges, means myself as well as Mrs. Hema, were feeling very much pleased judging this type of competition. And this is just a beginning. Two more interesting competitions are yet to follow. I know that the debate competition does not create any sort of interest, but if your views in that debate competition are very strong and good, supported by facts and figures, then that debate or that speech given by you is going to cast a very good impression on the audience. So that competition can also become very much interesting. But skit competition, that is the benchmark of this English Week celebration. So this is just a beginning, and you must not give up today if you fail to get any position today. There are two more activities to come. You can prove your medal in those two competitions. So now all the students, I think, are waiting for the results to be announced. So hold your breath. Again, I am repeating, winning and losing are part of the game. Every participant is a winner in a way. So now I am not going to take any more time. I am going to announce the result. I will start from 6th to 8th. Actually, teams were required, but solo participation, solo presentations were given by the students of 6th to 8th, but those were also very much praiseworthy. So first clap for the students from 6th to 8th class. So from 6th to 8th category, we have declared only first position. First is Sona from 8th class. Please come forward. Now from 9th to 12th, very close competition. So who according to you is going to win the competition from 9 to 12? Okay, who the students who think that team Yashu is going to win? Say loudly, team Yashu.
Team Yashu.
Only one supporter is there. That who is from team Yashu. Okay. And those who think that Antima team is going to win?
Yes, sir, team Antima.
Very good. Two supporters are there. And for team Sakshi? Okay. But as per the judgment given by the judges, means we have taken every part into consideration for reaching to the result. So according to both the judges, the team which is going to be on the top is team Yashu. big round of applause for Team Yashu. Congratulations to the first position holders. Team on second position is Team Antima. Because this particular team incorporated music, background music was there along with the very flexible dance movements which attracted the audience as well as that stole the attention of the judges also. So that is why there was a competition between Team Sakshi and Team Antima, but because of the things used by this particular team, they excelled. And third team, without any doubt, is Team Sakshi. So all big cheers, big round of applause for all the winning teams. बेटे जीतते वही हैं जो एफर्ट्स करते हैं, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करते रहें, अभी तो स्टार्टिंग है, दिस इज जस्ट द बिगिनिंग एज आई सेड अर्लियर, so you should not lose your heart, you should focus on the lacunae which you left today in this competition. And there is no doubt about this that you can overcome all the lacunae, all the problems which you encountered today in this competition. So again, congratulations to all the participants. Big round of applause for all the participants. Because yesterday and day before yesterday I was reading a post on Facebook about Olympic winners and those who failed to win. So people now are supporting those who failed to win in Olympics. They said that they also participated, they put in their best effort, but because of fate or any other reason, they could not mark their presence felt to the judges. So that may be the reason, but they participated, they prepared a lot. So all the participants gave their precious time for preparing this competition, and I am very much sure that next time all the participants sitting on the other side, they will definitely be here on the podium to get the first, second and third position prize. So big round of applause for everyone, and thank you very much.